Okay, so we have a large variety of things here. And I think we're gonna look at some of these sticker packs over here. Let's choose one. Ooh, this one looks very interesting. What does it say? I think I can read. Spark Squad, very nice. I like the little skull. Has a lot of sparks, I think. Yeah, very nice, obviously. Oh, and this is my dad's sticker. In case you don't buy any of these. They're really awesome.
Where do you get those stickers at, Penny?
Shop.JakeOfALL. At the JakeOfALL. You can
okay.
definitely.
Okay, let's go back to the Ohio Power Tool one.
Yeah.
Where do you get Ohio Power Tool stickers?
Let's see this one. It's
Penny. Where do you get Ohio Power Tool stickers?
I don't know.
At Ohio Power Tool.
Oh yeah, definitely. So we have this sticker.
Since
It's the shape of
1983.
Ohio. Yeah, and we got their brand, and it says supporting the trades of Ohio Power Tools since 1983. Yes. So it's gonna put that right there. And if you want to get any of these things, you can definitely check out their shops or anything.
So there, I said it again. Gosh, it's like a million times. Where's my shot? You guys see these new high-vis sockets? A little red. This is a metric set. These are 3/8. And these Milwaukee ones. Stop it.
Dad.
But they also have...
Dad.
What do you want?
Look at all that Dewalt.
Stop it. So yeah, adapters, right? You can go from half to 3/8, from 3/8 to half, from 7/1000ths to down to 1, no, 1/4 inch, all that. Yeah, they've got a lot of those and so much more fun stuff.